exposing the secret life of cats. Did you know some of them throw backyard BBQ parties? Or at least they try to. Let's just say it doesn't always go as planned. Watch as our fearless feline flips a burger so high it lands, kaboom, right on his own head. Hot dogs, they're rolling faster than Grandma's yarn ball, straight into the neighbour's yard. Suddenly a smoky cloud takes over. Our kitty waves his paws like he's directing traffic in rush hour. But wait, crash! The grill lid slams, launching a skewer that zooms by, almost giving a bird a brand new hairdo. Does our cat panic? Nope. He just grabs his burnt kebab, strikes a hero pose, and boom, fireworks explode behind him. This is one BBQ you'll never forget.